Today, we will talk about how to reside a garage. Let's have a look at the details. Living in a garage may be by choice or by necessity, such as during renovations or after a disaster. Either way, making it more comfortable is important. Here are some suggestions. Clean up. Garages tend to be dirty, dusty, and oily. Remove all contaminated products and stains. Dust away and sweep up all sawdust shavings, dirt, and other unidentifiable stuff. Remove all the junk, boxes, and bicycles. You want to be able to get around. Only keep what cannot be left out in the elements inside the garage. Make sure there are no moisture problems. Check if the walls and floor are damp. Dampness comes from the earth, leaky pipes, or rain. Damp causes mold, which not only stinks, musty odors, but it can also ruin clothes and give someone a chronic cough, because it's both a toxin and an allergen. Make sure the door and any windows are properly sealed shut to prevent moisture, dust, insects, or other particles from entering the garage. Clean all the windows. Keep the door the same, otherwise it will probably go bust. Furnish the garage. Add your chosen furniture and furnishings. If you're renovating, you might like to cover good items and store them while buying second-hand furniture for use in the garage. And if you've lost your items due to a disaster, second-hand furniture is a good option. If possible, install a sink, bowl bucket, or even an ensuite. A shower can be linked to outside drainage to prevent the water from accumulating in the garage. Create privacy. Partition of bedrooms if sharing with other people. Simply wooden walls will suffice for this, plus a door or curtain for the entry to each room. Create a kitchenette. A sink, stove, and eating table are essentials. Food preparation can be done on the table if there is no space for an additional bench. Find good heating. It will be a lot colder in the garage than inside the house. All heating needs to be safe, as a garage is easy to burn down. Electric heaters should be the sort that stops if tipped over, and all gas or wooden fires require flues to vent the toxic elements straight outside. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.